If you own a watch or clock store or repair shop and want to manage all aspects of accounting, inventory, and repair effortlessly, Finty is here to help. With just a few clicks, you can handle everything with ease. Let's start with the Users menu. This is where you can manage everyone involved in your business, from employees to clients. You can add customers, employees, or anyone else you deal with financially. Once added, you can easily keep track of their transactions. When you purchase an account in Finty, you can grant access to 2 employees in addition to yourself. For employees who work on commission, you can set profit percentages for their sales or services. Finty automatically calculates their earnings, so you can pay them accurately. You can also control which services or menus they can see by unchecking any of these. As a manager, you can view their panels by clicking the eye icon. Next is the Repair Shop Management menu. This menu covers the entire repair process, from the moment a customer brings a watch or clock until it's returned to them. You can track every step of the process seamlessly. For technicians working with small to medium-sized devices, Finty includes a shelf feature. This helps you organize parts and devices during repairs, preventing any mix-ups or lost items. It's a simple way to keep your repair shop organized. Finty also makes it easy to keep your customers informed. You can send SMS or WhatsApp notifications to customers about repair status, such as progress updates or when a repair is completed. Managing your finances is just as simple. Finty has dedicated menus for recording receipts, payments, expenses, etc. Whether you're dealing with cash, checks, or bank transfers, it's all organized in one place. You can also track profits from sales and services, and manage debtors and creditors. Finty makes it easy to stay on top of your business's financial health. If you sell products as well as repair watches and clocks, you'll love the Warehouse and Goods menu. Here, you can list your items, issue purchase or sales invoices. You can also generate detailed reports to analyze your stock and sales performance, and track inventory. When you first sign up for Finty, our support team helps you get started by pre-filling essential data based on your business needs. This includes devices, brands, models, common repair issues, banks you work with, and more. You can add additional details later if needed, but this setup makes it easy to start right away. Finty's interface is designed to be simple and user-friendly. With just a few uses, you'll quickly get the hang of it. And if you ever need assistance, every feature comes with a tutorial video. Just click the red icons to watch step-by-step guides. Finty is the ultimate solution for managing your watch and clock store or repair shop. From repairs and inventory to accounting and staff management, it's all in one place. Sign up for Finty today and experience how effortlessly you can manage your business. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell to get updates whenever we post.